what actions or leelas will be done by the cosmic form of the Lord? That's Rupa, Virata Rupa, which we are speaking. Is it just stagnant or just guiding, or is it having some specific roles and actions being performed apart from Lord Mahavishnu or Krishna?
What are the activities of the universal form of the Lord?
Yes.
Actually, the universal form is the universe itself. Universe means so many activities are going on. Material activities are going on in the universe. Okay? Now, Bhagavad Gita explains all material actions are carried out by the material nature consisting of the three gunas. Prakrite kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvashaha ahankara vimudhatma kartaham iti manyate. Actually, all material activities are carried out by material nature through the three gunas. But only because of false ego, the conditioned soul thinks, I am the doer of some material action which I think I am doing, which is actually carried out by material nature. To give an example, I want to lift my hand, I lift my hand. So when I want to lift my hand, I think I am lifting my hand. But actually what is happening? Material nature is lifting this hand. So to understand this, Krishna explains how to understand that actually all material activities are carried out by material nature and not by the person who thinks he or she is doing the action. In the 5th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, verses 13, 14, 15, 16. You study these 4 verses. It will explain to you how we can understand material nature is carrying out the material actions, but we think we are doing it.